Hey guys, Sandra here, and I'm back with another video. Excuse me. And as you can see, this is the Power Lead system. And the Power Lead system is an opportunity for you to become an affiliate on different levels. You can get paid anywhere from $7 to $1,000 or more, depending on what level you have chosen to purchase. You can market any opportunity, and the system allows you to bring in unlimited amount of leads using paid and free traffic. And it's very easy to put this on autopilot because everything is done for you. You can plug in your business opportunity, and if you don't have another opportunity, then you can use the Power Lead system as your main opportunity. I find that they are getting better and better with time. They are adding new things all the time. They're adding something else new soon, and I can't wait to see what that is. And let me see. So let me show you. All right. So as you can see, I've been getting leads like every other day or so. Okay, and so it does work. The system does work, right? And remember that the system is, I just want to remind you, the system is also a list builder, and the money is in the list. Because if social media should happen to shut down again, it has done it before, and if social media was to shut down again, your list, you would still have your list. All right, your list, your email list is an asset that you own. All right, so you can pretty much make a ton of money with this system because it's easy to duplicate, and all you have to do is plug in your information. We have share codes you can use. You just copy and paste the share codes. Right now I'm using new funnel, which is the Fire Your Boss funnel, and it's converting well. If you want to see it, the link is below underneath the description in this video, and there is a video to watch. It's a little long, about 20 minutes, but it's worth looking at. Then just go ahead, get started. Only $1 for 14 days, and then upgrade at least to gold affiliate so you can get your 20. Well, you would have to upgrade to this first in order to get into the system, and you would get $20 commissions on everyone that joins. So if 5 people join you, you get $100 a month. This is a monthly residual income. All right. So watch the training. All right. Make sure you watch the training. We have the training about 2 times a week, and take advantage of the bonus before it goes away. And within your first 7 days. And follow the steps, the to-do steps in the training to get started. Basically, once you get started, you are gonna with your Fire Your Boss funnel, you're gonna set it up. You just run traffic to it. Okay. We have a powerful Facebook group for you to join, and if you have any further questions, just reach out to me and I will make sure to help you, or you can reach out to anybody in the Facebook group and they will be glad to help you as well. It's again a 14-day trial for $1. You can actually try it out for 14 days and get a look at what they have to offer and the value that is there. And I think you will be very impressed. So that is all for today. I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you have not already, and click that bell so that you can be notified when I do upload a new video. And remember, you must hustle, and God bless you. See you on the next video.